بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 27 in your books. Hurry up. All of you open it. Okay, students, on page 27 we have question 11. This is question 11 and question 11 is follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. What we have to do, students, we have to follow the instructions which are given below, and in the given below there are the instructions like circle the 7th candle and circle the 4th fruit. Do you know, students, what is 7th, 4th, 10th? Can anybody tell me what are these? Yes, who will tell me what are these? Very good. These are ordinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. What are these? These are ordinal numbers. Very good. And ordinal numbers tell the position of the number. Ordinal number tells the position of the number. So we are starting. This is part A, and part A is circle the 7th candle. What we have to do, students? We have to circle the 7th candle. So first of all we have to search that which candle is on 7th number. Start counting with me. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. This is 7th. This is the 7th candle. Let's circle this candle. Okay, students, now you can see I have circled the 7th candle. Let's read again. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. This is on the 7th position. So we have circled this candle. Okay, students, and we have followed the instructions. Now let's move on part B. This is part B, and part B is circle the 4th fruit. Circle the 4th fruit. What we have to do, students? We have to circle the 4th fruit, a fruit which is on 4th position. So let's count with me. First, second, third, 4th. Let's count again, students. First, second, third, 4th. This is the 4th fruit, and we have to circle this fruit. Let's circle with me, students. Okay, students, now you can see I have circled the 4th fruit. Now moving towards part C. This is part C, students, and part C is circle the 10th cake. What we have to do? We have to circle the 10th cake. Let's count with me. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. This is the 10th cake. We have to circle this cake. Okay, students, hurry up. All of you circle it with me. Very good, students. As you can see, we have circled the 10th cake. Let's read again. First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. This is the 10th cake, and we have circled the 10th cake. Very good. Okay, students, now we are on part D. This is part D, and part D is circle the 2nd tree. What we have to do, students? We have to circle the 2nd tree, and now we have to count all these trees. How many are these? First, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Let's read again with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These are 8 trees and we have to circle this one because this is the second tree. Okay students, very good. Let's circle with me. Very good students. Now you can see we have circled according to the given instructions. We have circled the 7th candle, the 4th fruit, the 10th cake and the second tree. Okay students, very good. Complete your work. And now it's your homework time. And your homework is you have to complete question 11 on page 27. Okay students, you have to complete this exercise or question and then you have to share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, if you are having any difficulty you can ask your teacher over there, and you have to complete this task and then share the picture in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.